Good evening, students. Hello. Hello. Can please anyone respond? Yogesh.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah,
Good
is my
evening,
screen
sir.
visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you for the response. Today I am going to explain about few commands in surface modeling as well as one simple diagram. Today class is also very important. I am going to tell some few important commands that are useful in the all the way. Alright. Okay. Here, generally, if we go for the any of the design models, here we observe all the three axes, right? It is xz, yz, and zx. Right here, we can see all the right xy, yz, and zx. All the planes can be observed here. If you want to we change the axis mode, and if you want to increase the size of this mode, there is an option here. Right, for that, we need to go for the for that we need to go for the tools. In tools, every time I am getting that it is options. In options, there are several options will be there. For that, go to the infrastructure mode. In infrastructure mode, there is a part infrastructure. Right there, we can have the display axis system display size. If we reduce the size, the axis lines will be reduced. Here we can be reduced by dragging this one. Right here we can be increasing like this. This is the changing the size of axis display. Here we can change the size. Right again here if we go for the part document, we can create an 6-axis line. An axis system will be created when creating a mechanical parts. Right, if we click that, right, that will be changed. Right, now we can change the difference. Like this we can change the axis. Whenever we want the axis like 6 axis, then we will go for like this mode. If not, again we need to click on the same options. Right, here in part document, infrastructure, in infrastructure, part infrastructure, there part document, we need to remove this tick button. Then we can observe it as a previous mode. Right now there is no importance of this one. Right, after that I will tell what is the importance of this one. Right, now I am going to tell about the shape, generative shape design. Right, today we will learn remaining these two one. What is this? This is offset and this is the rough offset. This is the variable offset. Variable offset we had completed yesterday. Now we will learn about these two options. Right, offset and rough offset. For creating the rough offset, we need to click on any one of the axis line, go to the sketcher, draw any closed profile. Like I go with circular part. Right, exit workbench. Now I will fill this circle with the thickness. Alright, I will there is an option fill. For fill, go to the selected, select this one. Right, click on preview. Okay. Now I had created one circle with the help of some small thickness. Right, for this I want to do the offset. Go to the offset directly. Here it is an offset. Click on offset. Select the surface that which we want to do be offset. Then click on the offset distance, like I will give as a 15 mm. Click on preview. Okay. Alright, now here it is created one offset with the help of offset. The distance between original one and second one offset is 15 distance. right? If you want, again I will show. Just click on offset, select the surface that which you want to click on the offset. Here you can observe that there is an option like both sides, right? If you click on the both sides, the top side and bottom side, we can have the that offset. Give the distance as like you go for the variation 20, preview. Okay, now you can see I created two offsets, one above and one below. Like this we can do the offset. For rough set also like that only same, but the meaning of rough set is we can draw the irregular profiles. That is the main definition of the rough set. Now I am drawing one irregular profile. Right, like this I had drawn one profile. For this I will give the thickness by clicking on fill option. Right, here go to the fill. Now select the profile. Already selected. Okay, no problem. Preview. Okay. Now for what I had drawn, I had created one fill option. Right, like this I had given the thickness. Right. Okay. Now I am going to tell about the rough offset. Yesterday we learned about the variable offset by creating three plates. Again we joined three plates. Like this we had created one. Right, now I am going to tell about the rough offset. Just click on the rough offset. Now select the surface. Now give the offset like 15. Right, both sides. Right, preview. For rough offset it will take some time to generate the offset, updating topology. Right, now you can observe that still it is updating. If the RAM is more than 16 or 16 above, then it will be fast. Otherwise it takes time. My GB is 8 GB, so it is. Now you can see that. Here the main difference of the rough offset is here we had created one irregular shape, but on the two sides it will not come as a irregular shape. It will come as a flat one, right? With the same rectangle, same size, it will come as a flat plate at the top and bottom. For example, I will show one rough offset. Only I will select one on here rough offset only. Now I will create 20. Just select the surface. Right, okay. For generating it takes some time. Right, now you can observe this. Right, here this is the difference. Right, bottom one is irregular, top one is flat. Right, if you want we can create that same also. Tomorrow we will tell that one. Right, today we learned about all these two options. And again I will explain that sweep and here third one sweep, and this one is the adaptive sweep. In sweep there are total 21 commands are there. It is very difficult to explain all these 21 commands. I will share the video how we can use all the sweep commands. Right, now I will draw one sweep command by using. Right, for this one we need to have the axis line. Now I am creating that axis line what I had told in the previous class, in the just before the session started. I told about the axis system. Now I am creating this one. Right, now go to create new part. Now it will come as a axis, 6 axis line. Right, now like this it will come. uh, for drawing this one, just I will select as a YZ axis, create sketcher. Right now I am drawing one semicircle arc by using the center distance. Right here now I created one circle by using one axis system. Now I need to draw one profile on the top of this semicircle. For that again click on this one, uh, positioned sketcher. Exit workbench. For position sector we need to draw in different plane. For that I will select the ZX plane and I will click this one. Alright, after that it will ask for the will go with the reverse and swap. Just click on OK. Right, now I will draw one line. Line to right here it is. Now I am drawing one rough profile. Right now exit workbench. Now you can observe that here I had drawn one semicircle. I had drawn one profile on the opposite direction, like it is like perpendicular direction. Right, for that I will select the sweep option. Now I will show what are the options that are there. Right, I will deselect this one. 1 second. Right, now I will select the profile, sweep. Right, here there will be different types of profile types are there. First one is explicit, second one line, third one circle, fourth one conic. For each and every option subtypes will be vary. Suppose if you take for line, right now you can see that that has been changed. Now you go for the circle. These subtypes will be vary for all the four profiles. If we take for the rectangle, triangle, right, like this, that all the commands will be changes. Now we will go for the normal one. Here with reference to the surface. Right, now we need to select first profile and we need to select the second guide curve. Now I am going to select this profile. Now I am going to the guide profile. Right, now go to the OK. Right, like this surface will be formed along the curve, along the path. The curves will be formed. Here it is. We have many options are there in sweep. There are 21 commands are there, and also adaptive one is also there. I will share these two videos. Just you keep on observe. Whenever you have time, you practice that all the 21 commands. Right now I am sharing with you that video links. This one is a sweep. Now this one is adaptive strip. Right, I am shared there all the two videos. Right now I will draw one diagram, simple diagram. I will close this notepad. One second. File. I will remove this 6 plane option. Today, options. Create an axis system. Click on OK. Now I am drawing file, new part. Right now I will go with start mechanical design sketcher. Or I will go with part pro, mechanical design, part design. Now I will go with extrude. Extrude here also we have one selection. Click on sketcher. Click on the XY plane. Right, now I went to the 2D commands. Right now I will show this diagram. This is very important diagram. If you draw this diagram, we are going to know about more commands that which we need. It will cover all the different types of commands that can be covered in this diagram. Right, go to the picture. Right, this one. Right, observe this figure carefully. Here what we will do that. What Hemant? Hemant has raised the hand. Hello Hemant, is there anything?
Sir, by mistakenly I have
Okay, no
raised it, sir.
problem.
Sorry,
No,
sir.
no problem. Thank you. Right. Uh, right. Observe this figure carefully. First we will draw the base plate. Then we will draw the back side of that one. Oh no no. First base plate, and then we will draw this circle, and then after that we will join this base plate and the circle. Next, by using the rib command, we will rib this one, and after that we will give the plane definition, and we will give the height 90 plus 48. Then we will draw this one small rectangle. Then we will throw out this hole. Then after that we will minus this 3 mm distance from top to the half of this circle. This is the procedure. For this I am drawing first base plate. Base plate distance is 17 into 63. After that we have the radius of 25. Right, we need to chamfer that one. First I will draw with 100 into 36. Right, for this one I will take the center rectangle. by using this center point. No, I will do one thing. I will draw from horizontal. I will draw. Sorry. Right. By touching the horizontal line, I had drawn one rectangle. Now I am giving the difference. The distance is that 63. 63. Enter. No, it has been moved directly. Okay, no problem. Control Y. I will make it as 0 here to here. Right. Now, now this width is 100. Right. Afterward, we will going to the chamfer with radius of R25. Right. Now select this one here. Enter. Now this side also. Just click on yes. Edit this value. 25. Enter. Right. From the same center only R25. From this same center only with the diameter of 12, we need to draw two circles. Right, from same this center only. Right, now change the diameter of the circle. Diameter is 12. Just enter. Now same this one also. Right, now exit workbench. Here pad definition is, here it is given as 12 mm. So the length will be 12. Enter. Right. Now we need to draw this circle. Right. For that I am selecting this face by just revolve this one. Select this plane. Click on sketcher. Right. Like this I am drawn. Now directly. From bottom it is from bottom you can observe this one, from bottom to center of this one it is 90. Right. Diameter one is 50 and another one is pi of 25. Right. 50 and 25, two circles with the help of 90 distance from the same center point only. Right. One more circle from the same center point. Right. Now give the diameter. First circle is 50, second circle is 25. second one 25. Right, now measure the distance from bottom of this line to center of this point. It is 90. Enter. Right, now here pad it is 44. Right, okay, exit workbench. Right, pad, right, 44. Preview the direction. Right, it is okay. Right, now I had drawn this one, base plate and circle. Now I am drawing the back side of this plate by joining the this one and the other side also. Right, for that you select the plane, this one, go to the sketcher, or we will go for the back side. I think it is better to go for back side. Why? Because front side it is chamfered, so I will go for the back side. Right, select this one, click on sketcher. Right, okay. Now here for drawing this one, we will do this projection. Project 3D element, click on this one, click on the circle. Now click on this one. Not projected. Just project the side line, and here also project the side line. Projection on the sketch of the field. Okay, no problem. Click on the project. First select the line, then go for the project. Right, projection has been done. Now I want to draw line from this corner point to here. While drawing this one, the symbol will be highlighted. What is this one? It is, I think, the symbol is one, what is called, we will call it as this one, perpendicular not, tangency symbol will be appeared. Then only we should stop the drawing this line. Then it will meet to the exact point. Right, you can observe the carefully. When we observe the tangent button, right, you can see the tangent symbol that is in green color. Now remove the lines by trimming on this one. Now again this line. Now again this line. If you want, we can draw the line here also, no problem. If you draw, no, but the profile should be closer, so that sometimes error will be appeared. So I will close this line. Right, now exit workbench. Alright, now I will rotate this one towards this side. Right, here it is given as 10 mm pad. Now I am going to do pad. Right, reverse direction, it is 12. Right, okay. Right, like this I drawn this one. Next I need to draw this line. For that, what I am going to do means, I want to select this plane, go to the sketcher, now it will be appear like this. For this also we need to project the circles. Just click on this one. Now click on the point. Now here also click on the project, click on the starting of this point. Now I need to line this ending to this ending. For that I am going to draw the line right from this point to this point. Right, now I am deleting this line. I am deleting this line. Right, exit workbench. Right, here there is an option like here one option is there. Right, we need to add the stiffener. Right, right, for stiffener it is also asking that thickness. It is 10 mm. Alright, thickness is 10 mm. 10 mm preview. Right, okay. Alright, now we had added this one. Right, by using. Alright, now only we have pending at the top of this one. We need to draw one rectangle, and after that hole is pending, and after that splitting is having. Right, for that what I am doing here, I need to draw a plane reference by giving the axis, and the distance is 90 plus 48. For that what I will do is now I am going to do the select this plane. Now click on the plane definition. It will ask for the distance offset from plane 90 plus 48. You click on just like that only, 90 plus 48. Now one plane is created. On the top of that one you go for that. Right, here now go to this one, click on the sketcher. Right, like this we are going to create it one profile. Right, here what is the main agenda is 32 is the length, and 12 plus 12 plus 3 27 is the width. Right, for that I am going to draw one center rectangle by using same slot and the same midpoint. Right, right, now I created the one. Now here I will give the distance like top of this one is 27, 12 plus 12 plus 3 27. Now width is 32. Enter. Right, now here he has given the distance from front portion to here, it is 6. Right, now I am giving the difference. Right, take this plane and select this one. Now give it as 6. Enter. Right, now I had given all the dimensions. Now I had drawn the rectangle. Go to the exit workbench. Now I am doing the pad, reverse direction. Now here give the up to next. Right, click on preview. Click on OK. Right, now I have drawn this one. Now I need to draw the circle. Right, for circle, rotate this time, select this one, go to the sketcher. Now just project this one. Right, now draw the circle. Right, now diameter is 12. Diameter is 12. Now from top it is from top to center it is 12. It has taken bottom line. Now I think I will remove this one. Right, now it is okay. Enter. Now from here from this left side to it is center, it is 16. Click on the center one and click on this surface. Right, it is 16. Click on enter. Right, exit workbench. Now I need to do the pocket. Just go to the pocket, click on up to last or up to next. If you want, you can revolve this one and you can see that preview. Okay, now circle has been completed. Now only we need to do divide this one at the center point at the distance of 3. For that also I am drawing this one. Go to the sketcher. I am going to the front view. Alright, now I am drawing the center rectangle. Right, now click on this one. Now give the distance here. It is as 3. Enter. Now exit workbench. Right, just go to the pocket. Right, you can see the direction of this one. It is on the same direction. Up to next only. Preview. Click on OK. Right. If you want, we can hide this one. Right. Now go to the shading with edges. Now go to fit to screen. Now you can see. We can also hide this one also. Click on XY, YZ, ZX. Just click on right button, hide. Right. If you want to zoom also. Right. Right, you can see this one. Right. As it is according to the exact dimensions, I had drawn this figure. Again I am saying that first we drawn the base plate, then we had drawn the circle, then we had drawn the back side of the plate, then we had used the stiffener, then I created one plane definition and I mention the distance, then I draw the rectangle box, then I had done the pad, then I had drawn the hole, then I had splitted the square into 2 parts. Right, like this simple figures we can draw. I have one more figure, I need to share that one. సార్ చెప్పండి సార్. నాకు రాలేదు సార్ వాట్సాప్లో ఏం రాలేదు సార్. పర్మిషన్ సార్. Can you hold on the line so that I am stopping the screen sharing? One small important thing is there. సార్ చూస్తున్నా సార్, డాక్యుమెంట్స్ చూస్తున్నా సార్. ఏమున్నాయో అందరు కామన్ పెట్టినాడు సార్. అవును సార్, చూస్తాను సార్. మన దాంట్లో ఏమున్నాయో చూస్తాను సార్, చూసి చెప్తాను. అన్నీ చేసినాం సార్, చూసి చెప్తాను సార్ ఒకసారి. సార్ కిషోర్ సార్.
సార్ చెప్పండి సార్.
సార్ మెయిల్ వచ్చిందంట సార్ అందరికీ,
ఏమని సార్?
రీస్క్రూట్నీతో
రీస్క్రూట్ని
ఉందని వచ్చిందంట.
అవునా? మాకేం రాలేదు సార్.
చూడండి సార్ ఏమొచ్చిందంటే, this is with reference to your application submitted under chapter 2 for the academic year 24-25. The scrutiny committee has been completed and the reports are uploaded in the portal under institution attachments. The committee has pointed out some deficiencies according to your requested to comply the relevant deficiency documents for re-scrutiny committee, which will be scheduled within 2 to 3 days. You are also requested to upload all the relevant deficiency documents on the portal as per 24-27.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్. మాకైతే రాలేదు సార్ మెయిల్.
అవునా? అందరు కామన్గా పెట్టినాడు, మరి ఏమో చూడదు సార్.
అలా ఇండివిజువలే అది.
ఇండివిజువలేనా? ఓకే సార్, సరే సార్.
అంటే మాకు ఆఫ్ క్యాంపస్ దానికి మెయిల్ అట్లే వచ్చింది.
అవునా? సరే సరే సార్.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే ఒకసారి చూడండి అటాచ్మెంట్స్లో ఉంటుంది డాక్యుమెంట్.
చూస్తున్నా సార్.
అది నేను కూడా చూస్తాను మా దాంట్లో ఏమన్నా పెట్టి. సాయంత్రం చూసినాను, సాయంత్రం అయితే పెట్టలే.
ఇప్పుడు వచ్చిందంట సార్, ఎంతసేపు అయింది వచ్చి చూస్తాను నేను. 6:55 పెట్టాడు సార్.
అవునా, నేను కూడా చూస్తాను సార్. ఓకే.
కిషోర్ సార్, అక్కడ 11th కాలంలో అటాచ్మెంట్స్లోనే కదా సార్? 11th దాంట్లో అటాచ్మెంట్స్లోనే కదా పెట్టేది. మనం డాక్యుమెంట్స్ అప్లోడ్ చేసిన పైన వస్తుంది కదా. ఇంకా ఏం పెట్టలేదు లేదు సార్. సరే సార్. సార్ ఇంకా ఏం పెట్టలేదు సార్ డాక్యుమెంట్స్, ఇంకా ఏం పెట్టలేదు సార్. అవును సార్. సరే సార్, పెడతాడేమో చూద్దాం సార్, వెయిట్ చేద్దాం, రేపటి ఉండనా చూద్దాం సార్. ఓకే సార్. Right. Sorry for the disturbance. Right. We will practice this figure tomorrow. Actually, this was taken from Facebook. Actually, it is not full image. Right. Right. Like this small arch has been formed. Total distance, radius, and all the things has been given. Tomorrow we will practice this one. Right. This is also some simple figure. Just we need to draw the shape of that one, and then we need to extrude, and all the degrees also has been given from center to this one. Alright. Radius of 10 has been given, Distance has been given. We will try this figure tomorrow. Is there any complications? Just wait, I am observing. Right. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow we will join. Thank you for the today's session.